clear it and then the water in your thing's frozen, so you can't clear it and then see when the sun comes out like that, it makes it, you can't see a thing.
Fish that one.
Hello there, we're on our way to Helensburgh today, and it's a beautiful place, you know. The sun's there, the sun's shining, snows all coming down, but it's a bit dangerous in some parts. The road's okay, the main road for the traffic's okay. It's very foggy out here. Lucky you can see about 200 yards, so we're hoping to have a nice day. I think we will, and be very welcomed, and I hope you have a good day too. So I'll say bye bye for now. Bye bye.